Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to teach you some problems of the topic unitary method. So, let us start question number 1. In question number 1, 15 men can build a 16.25 meter long wall up to a certain height in one day. How many men should be employed to build a wall of the same height, but of length 26 meters in one day? So here find out how many men. The man statement write in right side and length write in left side. So we rearrange the first statement. Since 16.25 meter long wall is built by 15 men. Is it clear? Therefore, in unitary method, first of all 1 meter. The wall of height here less 16.25 meter, here 1 meter. So less. So we use the less man, the less length, less man. So these questions belong to direct variation. Here use here divide 15 upon 16.25 man. Is it clear? Here length of wall is less. So use the man to build wide wall. So here less. So less concept in direct variation. Is it clear? Therefore, we find length of 26 meter. 26 meter 15 upon 16.25 into 26. 9. Decimal. Remove here decimal and write here 100. Is it clear? Table of 5, 5 3 are 15, 5 3 are 15, 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25. Is it clear? 25 are 100. Here 5 6 are 30 or 5 5 are 25, 13 2 are 26, 13 5 are 65, 5 4 are 20. Here we multiply and get 4 2 are 8, 8 3 are 24 man. Is it clear? Hence, required man is equal to 24. Is it clear? Now, let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, 10 men can finish the construction of a wall in 8 days. How many men are added to finish the work in half a day? So first of all, we know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. The half into 24 means 12 hours. You remember always. In first statement, since in 8 days 10 men can finish the construction of a wall. Is it clear? So therefore, in first of all, in 1 day, here less day, the more man, the less more concept in inverse variation. So here in 1 day, 10 into 8 man can finish the construction of a wall. Therefore, in how many men are added to finish the work in half a day? Half a day means 12 hours. in 12 hours. The 10 into 8 upon 12 man can finish the construction of wall. Here unit change 10 into, here 8 given in days. The convert it to hours, the 8 into 24 hours. Is it clear? Or already in denominator given 12 hours. Hours cancel. 12 to ja 24, 8 to ja 16, or into 10, 160 man. The how many men are added to finish? The hence to added number of man added to the total number of man required 160. Before here given 10 man. We subtract 150 man. So we use the extra 150 man to complete the half of work. Is it clear? I hope you will complete the test paper with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.